Which fields are covered by the Nobel Prize since its inception in 1991? A. Peace, Literature, Medicine, Physics, Chemistry. In which year was the Nobel Prize for Economics introduced? C. 1969. Which award is associated with excellency in journalism? B. Pulitzer Prize. Which award is popularly known as the Oscar? B. Academy Awards. Which UNESCO award is given for the contribution in field of science? A. Kalinga Award. Which award is given for the best work in literature and was first awarded in 1929? B. Booker Prize. Which award is considered the most prestigious in the field of music? A. Grammy Award. Which is India's highest civilian award? B. Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is awarded for excellency in which field? B. Art, Literature, Science and Public Service. Which award is regarded as the highest honor in Indian cinema? C. Dadasaheb Phalke Award. Which award is the highest literary honor in India? C. Jnanpith Award. Which Indian literary award is given annually for the exceptional prose or poetry in Indian language since 1991? A. Saraswati Samman. Which award is specifically given for the outstanding work in Sanskrit literature? C. Vachaspati Samman. Thank you for watching the videos. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.